Hello friends, automatic volume up and down problem is the most common problem in the Redmi mobile phones. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple solution for you that could be help you. Take a cotton bud like this. You can make your own cotton bud with the help of cotton and the stick. So take your mobile phone. This is the audio jack, female audio jack. Insert this cotton bud inside the audio jack and clean it gently. You should clean it 2 to 3 times. If cotton bud got dirty, you can change it and clean it once again. This process will clean up the maximum carbon particles from the audio jack. So clean it properly. And now you can check your mobile phone. I hope guys this will work for you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.